This is how you're going to download emails from Hostinger. So first thing is you're going to head over to your emails or the mail.hostinger.com webmail, and then from here, just going to select all the emails that you want to download. So for example, we want to download all of these. So we're just going to click on the select tool right here, and then we're going to click on selection. Now we're just going to check all the boxes of the email that we want to download. And then after that, we're going to head over to this toolbar right here at the top right of the screen. So right here, you will see this more button. Just click on that. And then from there, we're going to click on download. Now from there, you can just choose either source, mbox, or mail dir. So this one will be downloaded in .zip format. So if you want to choose that, you can just do so. So just click on the format that you want to where you want to download it, and then from there you'll be able to see this zip box. Now we're just going to open this, and then we're going to take a look at the inside. Now I don't have this, but you can just check it on your own, and that's it. That is how you're going to download emails from Hostinger. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.